Hi. So in this video we are going to learn how to make an interpolation map using ArcGIS. Suppose you have an XY based dataset and your study area map or study area shapefile. So on the basis of this XY dataset you can create an interpolation or a T file or raster dataset. Okay. So in this case this is my XY based Excel file or CSV file, rainfall.csv. So let's open it. So look at that over there. So this is X and this is Y and each station we have an average rainfall. Okay, so this is each XY and each station based rainfall data set. So which already I have prepared for this tutorial. So let's see my study area file. So this is my study area file. Okay, so at first we have to go in ArcGIS and then just add dataset, and then look at that over there. I have already connected IDW folder in a data section. So next you have to select east coast.xsp file and add. Okay, so on the basis of this XY dataset we can create an raster dataset using IDW Interpolation. Okay, so this is my study area map in my case. So at first you have to know how to import the XY based CSV file in ArcGIS. So I have already in video. So you may go in my YouTube channel and watch this video. Okay. So at first dataset should be .csv format. So in my case it .csv format. Okay. And then just let see again. So in this case just have to go file and then save as, and this is the folder, and then you have to go look at that CSV comma delimited .csv file. Okay, so I'm going to save it again one and then just save. Okay, just cross it. Look at that over there, another .csv file is created. Then you have to go ArcGIS and then go to again in file section, just simply click file, and now we are going to add this XY based CSV file in ArcGIS. Okay, we have already added our shape file. So then just click file and then go to add data section, and over there you can see add XY data. Okay, just click on that, add XY data, and then you have to browse. Over there you have an option browse. Okay, just simply click on that thing and look at that. Over there is two files, rainfall.csv and rainfall1.csv, and then simply click any one. Suppose currently or right now I am created rainfall1.csv file. Simply click on that and add. Look at that over there is X and Y. Then Z field I have to fill. Simply click on that. Look at that, there is an average rainfall dataset. Okay, each station wise, and simply you don't need to do anything, just simply click OK. Look at that, the file is already added on my shape file. So each station has the data. So if we open the open attribute table using using left click and then open attribute table, over there you can see X and Y and average rainfall. Okay, so now we're going to do interpolation. So how we can do that thing? Just simply just go to Arc toolbox and then simply click on spatial data, spatial analyze tools. Simply click, and then over there you can find an option that is interpolation. Simply click on interpolation and then simply go to IDW. Okay, it's a simple thing. So if you don't need to find over there, then simply you have to go look at over there, customize, and below the customize option you can find an option is search. Okay, just simply click on that. Look at that, over there is new window will open, and over there just you need to write IDW. Okay, and simply click over there search option. Okay, or simply press enter. So we'll see these three things: IDW 3D analyzed, IDW spatial analyzed, IDW geostatistical analysis. So in this case we are going to use IDW spatial analyzed, so which is already spatial analyzed tool. Okay, so I'm going to close it. Simply click on that thing. So there is a lot of different type of interpolation techniques over here. So in this video we are going to cover IDW. Simply click on that thing, IDW. So new window will be open, and over there is input point features. Okay, simply click on that thing, rainfall.csv. Okay, and then it will take few moments, don't need to worry. So maybe my computer is slow, so that is why it take few moments. And then just simply need to fill up z value. Okay, just simply z value is average rainfall, click over there, and the next option is output raster. Okay, so using this point data set we are going to create an raster data set. Okay, so you need to save it in separate folder. So what you need to do, just simply click on that, and suppose in my case I'm going to save it in IDW folder. So I have to search it over there. Look at that, this is the folder. Say my file name should be, in my case, rainfall.tif. Okay, because it going to create a new raster file. Just simply click save, and output cell size. If you want to a specific cell size, maybe if you want to 30-meter resolution data set or 10-meter resolution data set. Okay, so you can add it over here. In my case it's optional, so in my case I'm not going to add any output cell size dataset over there. Okay, and then you don't need to anything, just simply go to environment option over there, click OK, and processing extent. So in this case we have to define the processing extent. Okay, so what will be my processing extent? This study area. Okay, this study area. So simply click on that thing. So in this case, look at this default, simply click on that thing. Look at that over there is same as layer east coast. Okay, this is my save file name. Save file names means processing extent or study area file. So just simply click same as layer east coast. Okay, look at that, left side, right side, top and bottom, each and every corner, latitude, longitude has been added. Okay, so then what you need to do, simply click on raster analysis, click on raster analysis and mask option. So okay, in this mask option we are going to use our study area file. Okay, so we just need our study area based raster file. So simply click OK, and then simply east coast file, and don't need to do anything, just simply click OK, and then simply click OK. So we have to wait few seconds to get the final result or final raster data set. Okay, it will take few moments. If your computer is very fast, then it will take minimum 10 seconds or 15 seconds based on your computer speed. So in my case it will take few moments. So it's processing. If I cross this one, like simply cross, look at that, pending geoprocessing, process warning. So this is one process. There is a different type of process is available to show that the process is ongoing. Look at that, this is already done. Okay, so and then simply go to over there. Have a look at that. The file is already created. Okay, this is an example file I have created. So it's not a original data. Okay, just for learning purpose I have created. Just simply go to continuous option and go to symbology, and in my case it's stretched and different color option. Okay, look at that. So okay, so if you want to apply the gamma stretch and using hill stretch and any other things. Okay, so this is the final raster data set. Okay, you have we have created. Okay, this is an pure example based data set. Okay, so if you have any problem, just leave the comment. I will try to figure out your problem. Thank you very much.